Whether you're a classic car enthusiast, a Tri-Five Chevy lover, or just here for a nostalgia trip, this beautifully restored 1957 Bel Air is guaranteed to impress. Did you know? The 1957 Bel Air was originally seen as a mild update to the 1955 to 56 models, but it became the most collectible of the Tri-Five Chevys. It featured a new dashboard design, plus optional fuel injection, rare at the time and often only seen on Corvettes. Factory options included power windows, tissue dispensers, and even a signal-seeking Wonderbar radio. Pure 1950s glam. Fun fact: George Lucas made the 1957 Chevy Bel Air a cultural icon through its role in American Graffiti, 1973, influencing generations of fans and gearheads.